Hey everybody, this is Sunny, and I just discovered a funny video. It's practically, it's probably been on YouTube for a good little minute right now, but I want to do a remake, and it's by Emmanuel Hudson and Philip Hudson, the Ratchet Girl Anthem. So here it is. God, come out the house. She is throwing them out. She is throwing them out. OMG, what do she have on? She ratchet? Her legs front is all wrong. Cause she ratchet. Take this help a picture. She ratchet? I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on, cause you ratchet. Oh, I just wanna punch her in her. Ooh, she ratchet. Damn. Ooh, she too fake. Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr. Oh, baby boy, and it came with a sister. Bitch, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club there. But it's too wet, so I had to get cute today. I put on jeans for abuse today. People looking good, cause baby, this Jets pay bill and stuff here shoot today. New shoes today. Health support get to today. Yesterday, girl, did you get a glue today? You don't beef it up. Move, trying to get out my way. Think I got my food. Piercing, brand new tap right here. No tap. Been thinking about what I think about. No where hell this came from. Thinking that you better than I am when you think around. She alive. My number. Boy, bye. Hey girl. Good today. Turn around. Let me see what DJ sewing. Oh, okay. This how you like bye. OMG, what do she have on? Her legs front is all wrong. Let me take this type of picture. She I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter. Ain't the time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on, cause you ratchet. Oh, I just want to punch her in her back. Oh, she ratchet. Damn. Oh, she too fake. Email well love, but my girlfriends call me Kari. They'll be free before 11, drink and then we party. Guess I am the baddest. You had this boo-boo sorry, cause 2 Chainz is my future baby daddy. Maury, you got this dress on. Jordan Hill match my press on. Pound, team dark skin. We don't like them red bone. Go look on my picture. New ID got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. Team Flip Phone, Team Chris Brown. If you don't shut it up, then this team shut it down. On Team Bad Chick, team with your man. He got a lot of money, then this team he paying. He might as well spend it on me. Cause you looking ratchet. Right. Swing up. Oh girl. What's wrong with her? She too fake. OMG, what should we have on? She ratchet? Her legs front is all wrong. She ratchet. I'm gonna take this half a picture. Ratchet. I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter. I got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on, cause you ratchet. Oh, I just wanna punch her in her back. Ooh, she ratchet. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fat. She on, girl, you ratchet. Cause you ratchet. Cause you ratchet.